Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. It's exciting but a little weird. Um, I thought I'll start this new journey with a challenge. I've seen the Vogue Challenge doing the rounds, so I thought I'll do that myself. I'll be doing 2 different makeup looks and 2 outfit ideas with the same. So let's just start. So for the first makeup look, I want to do like these neon bright eyes. I think it's very fun. It looks amazing. I do not usually do colored eye looks, but let's see, I'm going to try out. I've already done my foundation, my base, my eyebrows, so I'll show you what I mean. I have been researching a bit so that I know what I exactly want to do. This is the kind of look that I was talking about, which is very bright and fun, and the focus is only in the eyes, like these kind of neon colors. So I would love to do something like this. For the second look, I want to do something like with a very formal look with coat. I have this sky blue colored coat, so maybe something like this.
Since I don't have any children.
So my makeup is all done. Now since my makeup is so bright and popping, so I'm just wearing a plain white shirt dress and I have no jewelry on, and I'm just letting my hair flow, and now I'll shoot. So I've got the first look, that's done. I will edit the photos later, but first I will do the second look, which is with my blue blazer, and I just have to figure out where I want to do it, because the background, I don't have a bright colored wall in my house, so I'm just going to edit that part into the photo. So here is my second look. I have done a pink retro eyeliner with my blue suit. There's my look. I've done a bun with a scarf, some golden ear hoops, and my suit with my pink heels. here are all the photos that I like, and I think I'm going to start with this one first and then move on to the next. So these are all the photos that I like, and now I'll edit it on Photoshop.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like
So I'm finally done editing the covers, and I think they turned out pretty decent. I will put them on the screen now.
yeah, walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying.
So if you enjoyed my first ever YouTube video, then please do subscribe, like, comment, and share it forward if you did enjoy. And that's it for today. Bye.